What's up? Welcome everybody. Today we have a bit of an unveiling slash unboxing type situation. First up, we have unveiling boxing from my sister DeAnna. She sent some things, and first off, number one, dog food. That's for me, Jackson. It's not for you. This is my dog food. Yes. Thank you very much for the dog food. Deliciousness. Then we have, boom, scarf and antlers. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. And last from DeAnna. Boom. Tech decks. Primitive. Looks like there's 6 decks plus extra trucks and stuff like that. Maybe what I'll do is keep 1 or 2 and give a couple of these away. Again, super awesome. Thanks, DeAnna. Also, happy birthday to DeAnna on January 5th. Leave her a happy birthday below in the comments. And next up, we have another box from my other sister, Nicole. First up from her, we have a kablammy. An Amazon gift card kablammy. Thank you so much, Amazon. But, you know, it's, I don't know. Is it horrible or amazing? Who knows? Next up. Boom. Blanket for Jackson. Oh. That's so cute. Got the cute paw prints. Again, thanks to DeAnna and Nicole so much. I hope everyone had a great holiday. Hope everyone has a wonderful and safe new year. Check out some footage of Jackson and his cute little scarf and some skating with Miguel. Check out all his Instagram and stuff in the description below. Thanks.
Like, this almost feels like a time capsule for me because I'm gonna look back at this.
Oh, that worked for a second. Everything fell off.